Welcome to another episode of At Home in the Digital Age. I'm Lee, and today I've got a story for you. Picture this. It's a typical bustling day at a small shop in town. Suddenly, the checkout system freezes. Customers are waiting, the staff are panicking. It's every retailer's nightmare. This story isn't just a one-off incident. It's a glimpse into the IT challenges that can hit retail businesses unexpectedly. Today, we're delving deep into these challenges. From system crashes to cybersecurity, we'll explore the common IT hurdles in the retail world and, more importantly, how to solve them. So, whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger retail operation, this episode is packed with insights and tips that you won't want to miss. Let me tell you about a local boutique that faced a major IT crisis. Their point-of-sale system suddenly crashed during peak shopping hours, Saturday afternoon, 3 p.m. Nightmare. After a hectic few hours and some quick thinking, they managed to get back on track. This incident was a wake-up call to address their IT vulnerabilities. So what are these common IT issues in retail? System downtimes, like in our story, are a big one. They can halt sales and damage customer trust. Then there's cybersecurity. Retailers are often targets for data breaches, given the amount of customer information they handle. And let's not forget the challenge of efficiently managing this data. How can this be tackled? Well, firstly, having a reliable IT support system is crucial. For cybersecurity, regular updates and robust security protocols are a must. As for data management, it's about having organized, secure systems in place. Simple steps, but they make a huge difference in preventing and managing IT crises. Navigating IT needs for small retail businesses can seem daunting, especially when budget constraints are tight. Let's explore some cost-effective strategies that make tech management both affordable and efficient. Firstly, consider cloud-based solutions. They offer flexibility and scalability without the heavy investment in infrastructure. For example, cloud-based POS system and inventory management tools can streamline operations significantly. These services often come with regular updates and support, ensuring your business stays current without additional costs. We use a specialized computer repair shop on IT Central, and it has absolutely revolutionized the way we work, making team communication better, we are more efficient, and we provide a better service for the customers. Another strategy is embracing open source software for various needs like accounting, customer relationship management, or even email marketing. Open source tools can dramatically cut costs while still providing robust functionality. Plus, the community support and documentation available for many of these tools are invaluable for small businesses. Regular IT audits are another key strategy. They help you stay ahead of potential issues, ensuring your technology aligns with your business goals and operates efficiently. This proactive approach not only saves money in the long run, but also prevents disruptive tech issues that can impact your business operations. Investing in staff training for basic IT skills can pay off significantly. When your team can handle minor tech issues internally, it reduces the dependency on external support and cuts down response time. Also, consider refurbished hardware. It's a great way to access high-quality tech at a lower cost. Many suppliers offer certified warranty-backed refurbished computers, printers, and other essential equipment, including IT Central, of course. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of community. Joining local or online business groups can provide access to shared resources, advice, and potential partnerships that can help manage IT costs effectively. Managing IT needs for your retail business doesn't have to break the bank. With these strategies, you can ensure that your business is not only keeping up with tech requirements, but is also doing so in a financially savvy way. Developing a sense of confidence in handling tech issues is a gradual but essential process for small retail business owners. The journey begins with education. Dive into the basics of your IT systems through online courses, webinars, and tech blogs. Understanding the foundations can significantly reduce anxiety and empower you to take on challenges. Creating a troubleshooting guide for common issues is another effective strategy. It's a valuable resource that enables you and your staff to address minor issues internally, fostering a sense of independence and problem-solving skills. Additionally, establishing a relationship with a reliable tech support service is crucial. They can be your safety net for more complex issues, but it's important to first attempt to understand and solve problems internally, as this builds practical knowledge and confidence. Networking plays a vital role too. Joining forums or local business groups where you can share experiences and solutions with other small business owners can be enlightening. This community engagement provides diverse perspectives and strategies, enhancing your problem solving toolkit. Implementing regular training sessions for your team on new tech updates and security practices is also vital. This not only keeps everyone informed, but also builds a collective confidence in managing tech related issues. Remember, confidence in tech problem solving doesn't develop overnight. It's about consistently leveraging available resources, learning from experiences, and building a culture of curiosity and resilience in the face of tech challenges. To complement the insights shared in today's episode, Bridgeworks Training, which is part of IT Central, offers a comprehensive free course tailored to overcome these IT challenges in retail. The course provides an in-depth exploration of the strategies and solutions we've discussed, emphasizing their practical application in real-life scenarios. What sets this course apart is its focus on real-world application. It's not just theory. It's about giving you the tools and knowledge to apply these strategies effectively in your retail business. From managing cybersecurity risks to optimizing your IT infrastructure on a budget. The course covers it all at a foundational level. Additionally, the course includes case studies and hands-on exercises, ensuring you not only understand the concepts, but can also implement them. It's an opportunity to transform the knowledge gained here into actionable steps, enhancing your business's tech resilience and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you found these insights on IT challenges in retail valuable, don't forget to subscribe and share at home in the digital age. Your support helps us reach more listeners like you. Big thank you to all our listeners for joining us today. We hope this episode has been insightful in helping you navigate the IT landscape in retail. Remember, for a deeper dive into these topics, check out our Start It Right course at Bridgeworks Training. Until next time, this is Lee wishing you success in all your tech endeavours. Keep innovating and stay connected.